Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you the Blackvue DR900S 2-channel dash camera installed on Porsche Macan GTS 2016. So the Blackvue DR900 comes with two versions. One is a one channel camera, the second one is 2-channel. The 2-channel camera, the second camera is usually installed in the rear of the vehicle. So we're going to show you first the rear of the camera. So the rear camera, we install it on the back of the rear windshield. The wires are going clean as possible, nice. You can see all the wires just going inside and there's nothing that is visible. Then we run the wires through the factory boot. So we remove those boots, run the wire inside, and then goes into the liner and keeps going to the front, clean. You won't see any wires all the way to the front camera. The front camera, we put it on the bottom here. Every vehicle is different, depends on how much room you have. We try to put it as less intrusive as possible to make sure that you're able to drive without seeing any interference. The wires also run nice and clean, going through the vehicle factory housings and running to the vehicle. Now in this case, as you can see, even though the car is off, the camera is still running, and that's due to the fact that we have used the module. In this case we used the battery pack, the Blackvue B124, and it's hidden under the dash. You can't really visually see it, but it's hidden under the dash. The the B124 separate battery allows you to have the camera recording longer and without any risk that it will drain your vehicle battery. Blackvue dash cams and other accessories can be found at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.